Today's tax day, and there's been a lot of talk around the office about the future of this company, especially about your fucking job. As you know, the economy sucks. However, the good news is the economy doesn't threaten your job. Our politicians do. Sure, you've seen my Benz outside. You've been in my elaborate home with the swimming pool and the tennis courts. What you don't see is the behind-the-scenes story. I started my company 28 years ago. I lived in a small studio apartment for 3 years, which I converted into an office, so I could put 100% of my efforts into building my company, which, by the way, would eventually employ you. My diet consisted of ramen fucking noodles, and I drove a rusty AMC Pacer with the trash bag as the back window. I didn't have time to get laid. I stayed home on weekends. I was married to my business with hard work, discipline, and sacrifice. So while you arrive at 9 and leave at 5, I don't. When you leave, you're done. And you have a weekend all to yourself. I don't have that freedom. I eat, breathe, and shit this company every fucking day. You only see the fruits of my labor. The nice house, the Mercedes, the vacations. You never realize the backstory and the sacrifices I've made. Now, the economy is falling apart, and I, the person that made all the right decisions and saved his money, have to bail out all the people who did it. The people that overspent their paychecks suddenly feel entitled to the same luxuries that I earned and sacrificed my life for. Unfortunately, the cost of running this business and employing you is getting too costly. I am being taxed to death, and the government thinks I don't pay enough. On April 15th, I wrote a check to the U.S. government for $288,000 for my taxes. And you know what? There's no stimulus check. Nothing. The question I have is this. Who stimulated the economy? Me, the person who's provided good paying jobs? Or the single mother sitting there on her ass at home pregnant with her 4th child waiting for her next welfare check? If I stole 50% of your paycheck, you'd quit and wouldn't work here. Who the fuck wants to get paid only 50% for their hard work? No one. And this is why your fucking job is in jeopardy. Had the government not taxed me so much, guess what? Instead of depositing the 288 grand into the Washington fucking black hole, I would have spent it building my business and hiring more employees. Listen to me. Business is the heart of America and always has been. To restart it, you must stimulate it, not kill it. If any new taxes are levied on me or my company, my reaction will be swift and simple. I'll fire you and your co-workers. You can then plead with the government to pay your mortgage, your SUV, or your child's future. Frankly, it isn't my fucking problem anymore. I will close this company down and retire. You see, I'm done. Happy Tax Day, America.